ever see a full-size pickup rolling low, glinting under city lights and think, that ain't stock? Well, Ford just gave that dream a factory birth certificate. Meet the 2025 Ford F-150 Lobo. It's not just another truck, it's a street-born V8 snarling, attitude-drenched version of America's favorite pickup, and it's built for the modders, the cruisers, the detail-obsessed, and anyone who knows what a real street truck should look like. And let me tell you, this ain't just a marketing trim. Ford's watching. They've been scrolling the forums, attending the meets, and studying the builds that go viral before the paint even cures. Now they're bringing that same energy straight to the showroom. At its core, the Lobo starts life as a regular F-150 STX SuperCrew, but it doesn't stay stock for long. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8. No EcoBoost here, just a good old-fashioned 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, backed by sound that rumbles with pride, the kind of engine that wants to be uncorked. That begs for headers, a tune, and maybe a little shot of something extra, if you know what I mean. But the Lobo isn't just about power, it's about posture. That rear end dropped 2 inches from stock, just enough to give it that factory-aggressive rake, the kind of stance that says, I'm ready to roll, but I'll make you sweat before I launch. It's a visual flex, and it's backed by a 10-piece body kit that's all bite. No chrome, you get gloss black everywhere. On the hood, vents, the grille, the dual exhaust tips. The badging? Deleted. Because Ford knows street truck guys like it clean. You won't find a Lobo badge slapped across the tailgate. Just a subtle word mark on the fender, like a tattoo only real ones notice. And the face? All new. All black mesh with lighting that echoes the Maverick Lobo. Park them next to each other at night, and they look like they belong to the same crew. Big 22-inch gloss black wheels wrap it all up. Not chrome, not polished aluminum. Gloss. Black dot. This isn't a cowboy truck. It's a city bruiser, but Ford didn't stop with just looks. The Lobo borrows features from higher trims. You get the Cowl hood from the Tremor, taillights from the upper trims, and even a 2-speed automatic 4-wheel drive system. Yeah, it's lowered, but it'll still hook up even better. It's built with the modder in mind, the dual exhaust, easy to swap. The front grille, open so you can drop in that aftermarket intercooler without hacking your bumper. This isn't a truck that punishes you for customizing, it invites it. Now let's talk colors. Ford's not trying to offer every shade under the sun. They kept it tight black, white, gray, blue, and rapid red. That last one? That's a nod to the OG street truck crowd. The guys who remember red short beds with loud exhaust and slammed tailgates. The Lobo may be modern, but it knows its roots, and it's not just about nostalgia. This is the return of the factory V8 street truck after 20 years. Let that sink. In 2 decades of lifted trucks, off-road packages, overlanding builds. And finally, someone remembered that not everyone wants to hit the trail. Some of us want to hit the boulevard. What's it cost? Base price for an STX SuperCrew with the V8? Just under 55 grand. Add the Lobo package, 4,006. $195 out the door, you're around 60 grand. Not cheap. But considering what you're getting, a full-size V8 powered, rear-dropped, street truck-ready F-150 with factory fit and finish, warranty intact, that's a statement truck for the right buyer. And let's be real, most guys spending that kind of money on a modded truck are dropping 10 grand after delivery. Ford's giving you the head start. So who's this truck really for? It's for the guy who's been flipping shackles and cutting coils since the early 2000s. It's for the kid who grew up on YouTube builds and now wants his own turnkey canvas. It's for the builder who wants the powertrain, the presence, and the potential without starting from scratch. It's not trying to beat the Raptor at Baja. It's not trying to crawl Moab. It's trying to own the night. It's for parking lot kings, back road burners, and city street cruisers. And let's give credit where it's due. Josh Blundo, the Lobo's lead exterior designer, lives this life. His daily, a single cab, axle-flipped V8 short bed on the side. He's building a drift spec Ranger. That's not corporate design. That's culture. Dot. He didn't design a truck for everyone. He built one for his people. Dot, and it shows the Lobo isn't about capability spreadsheets or towing comparisons. Dot. It's about feel. Dot. It's about walking out of the bar and seeing your truck under the streetlight, looking like it just drove off a magazine cover. Dot. It's about finally getting something that speaks your language straight from the factory. Dot. And if you want more, Ford made it mod friendly. They didn't lock it down. They opened it up, which means you don't just buy the Lobo, you build it. You tune it. You own it. Dot. So here's the takeaway: Ford sees the street truck scene, and they're not ignoring it anymore. The 2025 F-150 Lobo isn't just a one-off trim. It's a factory-backed nod to a movement. Dot. It's bold, it's loud, and it's ready for your touch. Dot. So whether you're planning to cruise it stock or tear into it on day one, just know this: the street truck is back, and it came howling out of Dearborn. Dot. This is Shift Path, and that was your first look at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lobo. Stay sharp. Stay fast. We'll see you on the streets.